I just haven't experienced any other webinar provider or any other software company that really listens to their customers the way that Stealth has listened, at least in my experience, to me. My name is Tyson Zahne, and I have a online marketing and coaching company. Our frustration really was from a point of inconsistencies with other webinar platforms and lack of customer service with other webinar platforms that we had used that hindered our ability to run effective webinars and to consistently reach our audience. Probably my only doubts that I had moving forward with StealthSeminar were just in transferring my content over to a totally new platform and whether or not it would integrate with my existing contact management system, whether it would, just how well it would work. And honestly, just every time I had any kind of bump or question along the way, their team was either able to very, very quickly show me how to fix it or what the answer was, or better yet, in many cases, they would just say, hey, we'll write a quick little CSS script to make the page look exactly the way you want, or we'll do this little tech thing to make the software behave exactly the way you want. And once I realized that level of service and that level of commitment to the customers, I was pretty much sold and said, I'm pretty sure I'll never use another webinar company again. Every time we wanted a page to look a certain way, Stealth was there to help us along. Anytime there was a feature that we either couldn't find or couldn't figure out how to make it work, they would either show us how to make it work, or in many cases, they would just say, hey, give us your feedback, send in a request for this feature, and we'll see if we can build it into the platform. And many of those features I've requested have been built in. And I just haven't experienced any other webinar provider or any other software company that really listens to their customers the way that Stealth has listened, at least in my experience, to me. First of all, I believe Stealth has a trial period that you can give them a shot. Take a free trial of Stealth. Take a free trial of one of their competitors. I would almost bet my own money that you're going to like Stealth better because I personally have tried at least 3 webinar platforms in my own career over the past 10 years. And I just there has yet to be a platform that has given me the experience and the gratification that I've had with using this particular platform, with using StealthSeminar.